Welcome to Hailfire Disaster Restoration Services, where we do content management, cleaning, and full service restoration service. We thank you for taking the time to hear our message and analyze the advantage of using our services. We began this journey after observing the flaws in other systems. We were providing water and fire damage restoration to the buildings and homes while subcontracting the contents. After we had restored and cleaned the house, this is what was brought back in. We then decided it must be done a better way to benefit the insured and carrier. After a year of research, consulting with industry leaders, and extensive training, we are ready to reveal our solutions to the issues facing the content management and restoration service in the South Texas Rio Grande Valley. The first piece of the solution is improper content management of the insured's belongings. This begins with eliminating the archaic pencil and paper systems and replacing it with a modern computer-founded system. Hailfire has invested in iCAD content management software. This software is iOS-based, using the latest iPhone and iPad on site and in our facility to inventory, categorize, label, and manage the inventory. The insured's belongings are inspected, photographed, packed, barcoded, inventoried on site. The software is live and in real time. We, together with the insured, have the ability to identify and mark things as rush items to be processed and returned quickly. The second part of the software allows an email to be sent to both the adjuster and the insured. The insured can see the inventory, track its restoration and cleaning through the facility, and finally, into storage. Additionally, we can inventory and photo non-salvage items. Both the adjuster and insured can see these items, label, title, discuss, and price them in the software, saving valuable time and effort for both. When a large loss occurs, iSalvage can be used. iSalvage identifies, finds, and prices the damaged items for you. The minimal charge per item saves valuable hours on both the adjuster and the insured. iSalvage integrates directly to eAdjuster, Xactware, Farmers, and Inservio, to name a few. Our facility has a 5,000 square foot intake area where the inventory is sorted into cleaning needs, types, and timeframes. This assures no cross-contamination between cleaned and uncleaned contents. After being sorted, the inventory enters the cleaning room itself. This is where the magic happens. Hailfire uses a state-of-the-art ultrasonic cleaning system. This is industry standard in fire and water damage restoration. We were the first in the Rio Grande Valley to implement this technology. Using the ultrasonic technology, we are able to clean hard surface goods, soft goods, intricate items, and even expensive electronics to pre-loss condition, saving the insurers money and replacing these items. We have a large dryer and ozone oven for drying the items. And we built an even larger room for ozone deodorization and drying large items such as furniture. We have the only climate-controlled content storage facility in the Rio Grande Valley. It is 5,000 square foot of floor area with the addition of ceiling-high racks for added space. After the items are cleaned and deodorized, they are repackaged and shrink-wrapped into pallets. When returning the items, the pallets are loaded onto the truck and then cut open at the insured's home, thus preventing unnecessary moving and damage to the items. All of this is tracked inside of iCAD. The entire facility is provided with 24-hour video surveillance. We would also like to introduce to you our newest offering, furniture restoration. By introducing this service, we aim to save the insurer money repairing expensive furniture we previously thought a total loss. We also offer full exterior and interior full-service restoration due to fire or mold damage. Hailfire Restoration recognizes the emotions that occur within a loss, especially large losses. Customer service and satisfaction are our top priority. Part of the process in dealing with the loss is the emotional healing the insured must do. We kept this in mind when designing this facility, and we invite both the adjuster and the insured to our facility. By the insured observing the care taken to manage, organize, clean, and store their belongings, we hope to assist in this healing.